Oh yeah.
Someone go in front of me because I don't know what way to go. No. I hate job So Daddy, is it these ones?
I think it's excess, yeah.
Okay. I'm going to follow you
Is it still recording?
I think so. Yeah,
I did stop it and restart it. Like, this is what we train for. Could have gone faster. I scrubbed off too much speed, did you guys?
I was just playing it safe, yeah.
Yeah, you come up steep the other side, you slow right down. Oh, is that pub club which plays music?
This one, did you only get?
Yeah, that was good fun, yeah.
The jumps for fun.
Which cable car do we need to get back up there? Is it that one?
Down there.
That'll do. Should we get this button lift? Should get the button lift there, yeah. Back up to the Snowpark, hopefully.
Yeah, go back to the snowpark.
What's it say? What's it say?
It's off.
Oh,
Can't see anything on this one. No.
this is gone on.
Hello! There's a bottom lift back to the beginning of the snowpark.
Why don't we get the chair up though and then go from the top? Do the whole run and then do the snake up again. Huh?
Yeah, no, I like them.
Oh, I like them.
Keep going down then. It's not
where?
much further anyway, it's only around the corner.
What, down there somewhere?
Yeah.